All right, hey guys, back again. I finished at the new location, the new customer that we'll be taking on after we get the proper machines that they need. And right now, I'm at the about a fail to dispense. Gave me it happened several times, like 3 times. So normally when I get those, I just go check it out to see what's going on. I was already out in the area, uh, so right now that's what I'm doing. Go ahead and restock just some Mountain Dews and some Gatorades, drinks, just to get everything, keep everything flowing. Then I'll go check the other location. But I'm here now just to check out the machines. Oh, 64 M&M. This one was empty. Okay, so to this location. Machine is sort of kind of full. Well, somebody left a note. That's what the note said. So they purchased something and the slot was empty. They purchased something. They hit the button. They looked at the button, hit the location, and the slot was empty. So what we normally would do is go, well, okay, don't hit an empty slot. But I guess what normal people would do. But since we're weird here at JT's Vending, and we believe in serving our customers well, at this instance, we'll make sure that this individual gets their money back, and we'll just re-inform them, hey, if it's an empty slot, please don't hit the button. Pay attention to what you're doing at the machine. We'll get back to it, and I'll catch you in a minute.